Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week we are creating this makeup look which is inspired by Blanche Devereaux with just a more modern kind of a twist to it, I guess. So if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look and how to make your eye color pop, then keep on watching. So today we're taking a note from Blanche Devereaux's book, and for those of you who don't know who Blanche Devereaux is, she is a member of the Golden Girls, the TV show from the late 80s, early 90s. She does something with her eyes that make her eye color pop. Like, it's amazing whenever you look at her eyes and then they sparkle because she's telling a story where she loves herself, and it's absolutely amazing. She's my favorite character. Like I said, she does something that complements her eyes, and you can go online and find any eye color out there and what colors complement said eye color. Now I have blue eyes, so I can lean towards having blue eyeshadow, orange, copper, even brown. But for today I'm going to be using blue. I'm not going to use a really dark blue, and you can use whatever shade complements your eye color specifically, because even if you have blue eyes like mine, you may not have the exact same hue as me. You may have a darker blue or a lighter blue or anything like that, so find something that works specifically for you. Today the makeup look is going to be very simple because that is the makeup look that I see she has on these occasions, because it's like an everyday look that enhances the eye color. So it's something you can wear every day. People do this all the time, and it makes you look like you put more effort into your look even though you barely did anything, which is great with this makeup look. But for this makeup look, I'm going to be using a round brush to do the outer corners of my eye, and that's the only place we are putting the eyeshadow today, is the outer corners and just a little bit on the crease, but that's about it. So I'm taking my Makeup Revolution's Constellation and I'm going in with Saturn. And you want to place it just on your lower lashes, but just in the outer corner, and then drag it out a little bit so you create kind of a triangle, soft triangle in the outer corner. And that's exactly where you want to focus this eyeshadow look. What you want to do now is take a blender brush. I'm using mine from Essence, and you want to blend this so it's soft. Now this is what you want to do with the eyeshadow, and so I'm going to be putting on mascara, and as I always do, I just put them on my upper lashes. I don't really put them on my lower lashes unless I'm doing a very dramatic look, but this is going to be blending in with my everyday kind of a look but making my eyes pop more, so I'm just doing my upper lashes, but you do whatever you feel comfortable with and just go with that. So I'm going to curl my lashes first. And then I'm going to be using my Maybelline's the Colossal mascara that looks like this. Then you want to take a pencil eyeliner. This one doesn't have a brand, but it has this kind of a tip. And you just take that and you do your upper waterline and just line that one. So you can leave the makeup look looking like this and it will be perfectly fine. I just happen to have a eyeliner that matches the eyeshadow. So in the outer corner on my lower lash line, I'm just gonna put a little bit of this one. Now this one is from Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in 17 Turquoise, and just a little bit in the outer corner. Before I put on setting spray, I just want to put on some highlighter, and I'm taking the Makeup Revolution's Take a Breather, and I'm taking a big fluffy brush, and I'm taking number 1. Then I'm taking a smaller fluffy brush and just highlighting detailed areas. Then I'm taking a really small brush and the same highlighter and going in the inner corner. And then I'm taking Makeup Revolution Sport Fix setting spray that looks like this, and I am spraying my face. So this is the finished look. This is what it looks like, and trust me, if you have blue eyes, wearing a blue top or even blue eyeshadow like this is gonna make your eyes pop so much. So if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. Now we have a new direction on this channel, so my Makeup Wednesday videos will be posted every Wednesday at 7 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 2 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!